In this video, we will address some strategies for building a photography portfolio website. As a photographer, your site is a professional hub to show off your skills. For some photographers, their website is a means of recording notable projects. For others, it's a communication hub to sell work and services to clients and to manage their business. Regardless of the type of photography you practice, here are a few key factors to consider as you build your portfolio website. 1. Create a short navigation that reflects your key skills or services. The most effective sites we see are those where photographers align their site menu with the key skills or services they want to showcase in their portfolio. For example, if your site is selling your photography services for branding and portraits, have links on your site menu for branding and portraits. Having your site menu tell the story of your skills shows that you are specialized in your field. 2. Link all of your projects using a collection page. Group pages of similar series, shoot types, or services using a collection page. A collection page is a page of image links. It's a great way to show off many sub-projects under a single menu item. They are more impactful than drop-down menus because visitors to your site will see a quick overview of your best images from each project. Plus, they are very user-friendly on mobile. 3. Choose a theme for the best viewing experience. Themes on format dictate the layout of your site menu, gallery pages, and collection pages. When selecting a theme, think about the optimal viewing experience for your site. For example, for fine art photography sites, we often recommend themes with large-scale vertical or horizontal scrolls, like Aura or Horizon. This gives your website the feeling of an online exhibition. For more commercial sites or sites featuring many images on one page, we recommend tiled themes like Amazon or Slate. Tiled themes will allow visitors to your site to get a quick overview of your style and compositional sensibilities. 4. Custom pages for contact, about, pricing, and services pages. Custom pages are just what they sound like. Customizable pages where you can achieve your own layout by using different content blocks. Photographers commonly use custom pages for contact and about pages, as well as other client-facing info like pricing, services, and more. When you first go to make a custom page, you'll see the option to start from scratch or from a template. Both options are fully customizable. One great feature about custom pages is the ability to add an image set or gallery of images into a page. This allows you to create gallery pages with a different layout from your site's theme. When building these pages, keep in mind how paragraphs and sections will stack for mobile display. As you're working on a page, click Edit Design and toggle between the mobile display to double-check your page layouts as you go. 5. Workflow for client galleries, file transfers, and client management. Workflow allows you to share private galleries of images with your clients and contacts. It's a great professional way to share your images and allows you to give communications the same branded look and feel as your website. Check out our tutorials on Workflow to learn more about all of its client management tools. We hope these strategies have been helpful. For more information about building parts of your site, please consult format.com/help for a library of tutorial videos. Or reach out to our 24/7 customer experience team who would be happy to answer your questions. Thank you for using Format.